Hello students, we started a test series for Maths Board examination scheduled on 10th of March. We have released 3 sample papers. 4th will be released on 19th Feb and 5th on 8th March. Today we are sharing complete solution of 3rd sample paper. Let's start. Question number 1 having 15 MCQs. You have to solve these questions on a rough paper on your board examination copy and give your answer in proper manner. Question number 1. The 5th term from the end of this AP is. It is a very good question and there are 3 methods to solve this question. First method, which I will prefer, that is you can use to find a term from the end direct formula Tn is equal to n minus 1 into D. Simply put L in place of A and minus sign in place of plus sign, because if you look at this series, if this is AP from the beginning, it will also be AP from the end. Difference is, if for original series D is 5, then for reverse series D will be minus 5. So we have to put minus and in place of A, L. Now put the values. We have to find 5th term. L is 195 and N is 5. D is 5. Put original value of D. The answer is 175. Second method, you can use this concept. Write reverse AP. Now you have to find 5th term from the beginning of this AP. That is A plus n minus 1 into D. But D is minus 5. Because now we are considering this arithmetic progression. Is also 175. Now is the right option. अब आप देखिए कि इस आंसर को आपको अपनी क्वेश्चन, आपको अपनी बुकलेट में कैसे मेंशन करना है. We are doing question number 1, part 1, and the correct option is D. Then write the answer in figures. That is the correct way to show answer of MCQs questions. Now come to the second question. The solution set of this inequation is when x belongs to R real numbers. This inequation is the combination of 2 inequations. So we have to solve 2 inequations. First is this, 13x minus 5 is less than 15x plus 4, and second is 15x plus 4 is less than 7x plus 12. And to find the solution of this inequation, we have to combine the solution of these 2 inequations. Means common solution of these 2 inequations will be the final answer. Solution of first inequation is x is greater than minus 9 by 2 and second is x is less than 1. When we combine these 2, we will get x is greater than minus 9 by 2 and less than 1. This will be our final answer. Now which option is correct? Option A is the right option. Now give your answer in proper manner. इसकी आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है. आप सॉल्व करने के बाद अपने MCQs का आंसर इसी फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. सेकेंड पार्ट, ऑप्शन A is the right option and the right option is minus 9 by 2 is less than x and x is less than 1. Next question. The ratio in which the line joining the points this and this divided by the x-axis. At which point this line will divide x-axis, suppose at point P, then y coordinate of this point will be 0. let the required ratio is m1 is to m2, then apply section formula and put the y coordinate of p is 0, you will get the answer. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and y coordinate of p will be given by m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. There is one important thing in this question. Always put m1 on the side first point. जो first point question में given होगा उसको आपको x1 y1 लेट करना है और उसके साइड में ही आपको m1 रेशियो लेट करना है. Otherwise your answer will be reversed. Now put the values. m1 upon m2 is equal to 1 by 2 means m1 ratio m2 is equal to 1 is to 2. This is the answer. Option D is the right answer. Give your answer. Part third. This is our rough work. You have to give answer in this manner. Question 1. First part, second part, then third part. Option D is the right answer and the answer is 1 is to 2. Now solve next question. The roots of this equation are, we have to find nature of roots. So find discriminant. Equation is 2x square minus 9x plus 7 is equal to 0. Compare this equation with the standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. A is 2, b is minus 9 and c is 7. Now find the value of discriminant d, b square minus 4ac. Discriminant is 25. This is positive and perfect square. So its root will be real due to this positive and due to perfect square. Means option A is the right option. आपको अगर किसी भी टॉपिक की डिटेल्ड वीडियो देखनी है तो आप चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर के देख सकते हैं. Next, two congruent triangles are. Congruent means all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. Then these two triangles will be definitely similar. Means if two triangles are congruent, then they will be always similar. Option A is the right option. जितना भी रफ वर्क है वो आपको अपनी कॉपी पर करना है. क्वेश्चन पेपर पर आपको कुछ भी सॉल्व नहीं करना है. आप अपनी कॉपी के किसी भी पेपर को रफ वर्क की तरह यूज कर सकते हैं. यू कैन यूज लास्ट पेपर. जस्ट मेंशन ऑन द टॉप रफ वर्क एंड देन डू ऑल द रफ वर्क ऑन दिस पेपर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द फोर्थ proportional to this. Let the fourth proportional is x, then 8 ratio 14 will be equal to 24 ratio x. And then apply product of exterior is equal to product of interior terms, means 8 into x is equal to 14 into 24, then x is equal to 42. C is the right option. Next, the remainder when the polynomial this is divided by x minus 2. This is a question based on remainder theorem. Just if x minus 2 is 0, then x is equal to 2, means f2 will be the remainder. Find f2 by substituting 2 in place of x just in function. Minus 1, this will be the remainder. Option D is the right option. Next, if the radius of a right circular cone is halved and the height is doubled, then the percentage of increase or decrease in its volume is. Suppose original radius is r and height is h of the cone, then Radius is halved. It means radius is r by 2 and height is doubled. It will be 2h. Then volume of original cone will be 1 upon 3 pi r square h and new cone will be radius is r by 2 and height is 2h. 1 upon 3 pi r square h divided by this 2, 1 by 2 means volume is halved. It means it is decreased by 50%. Option D is the right option. Next, the value of xy for which product of these two matrices plus 3 multiplied by this matrix will be equal to this. We have to find xy by solving this matrix equation. To solve this equation, first multiply these two matrices plus multiply 3 scalar by this matrix. All the elements will be multiplied. This will become 3, 3. In similar way, this will become 2x, 2y. Then 4 plus 3 is 7 and minus 3 plus 3 0. On comparing, 2x is equal to 7 means x is equal to 7 by 2 and 2y is equal to 0 means y is equal to 0. 7 by 2, 0. This will be our answer. A is the right option. Next, the median of the observation these are arranged in ascending order is 24, the value of x. First of all, find number of terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here's total number of terms are 9. Means median will be, it is odd. So the median will be n plus 1 by 2th term. Means 5th term. Now look at the question. What is 5th term? 5th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X plus 4. And medium is given 24. This is equal to 24 means x is equal to 20. A is the right option. Next, time period for RD account may vary from 3 months to 10 years. In figure, PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral where side PQ is diameter. The questions of circle, when diameter is given, it means you have to apply the property angle of semicircle is 90 degree. जैसे ही किसी क्वेश्चन में आपको दिखता है कि डायमीटर गिवन है, इट मीन्स आपके माइंड में स्ट्राइक होना चाहिए कि वी हैव टू यूज द प्रॉपर्टी एंगल ऑफ सेमी सर्कल इज राइट एंगल. इफ PQ is the diameter, then look at the figure. This is the angle of semicircle, means this angle is 90 degree. Then proceed further. Angle PSR is 110, this is 110. Then we have to find angle QPR. QPR, this angle. Because PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral, it means its opposite angles will be supplementary. Then if it is 110, then this will be 180 minus 110 means 70 degree. Now look at the triangle PQR. Sum of all the angles will be 180. This is 90. Second is 70 and third we have to find is equal to 180. Then x is equal to 20 degree. Means our answer is 20 degree. Option D is the right option. Next question. This line and this are parallel. Then relation connecting A and B. If these two lines are parallel, it means their slopes will be equal. So find the slope of both the lines and put equal. You will get the relation connecting A and B. अब देखिए स्लोप फाइंड आउट करने के भी 2 मेथड्स हैं. फर्स्ट मेथड, कन्वर्ट दिस इन द फॉर्म y is equal to mx plus c. Then on comparing, find the value of m. Slope of first line is 2 upon b. and slope of second line, you can find slope direct. M2 is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. Then because both the lines are parallel, it means M1 will be equal to M2. Cross multiply, AB is equal to minus 6. There is a printing mistake in this question. This will be minus 6 and then option A will be right option. Next, the value of 3 tan square 26 minus 3 cosec square 64 degree. Suppose we are converting cosec x, then we can write this sec square 90 minus 64 because sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1, means the answer is minus 3. Option C is the right option for this question. Next, it is a very good question. Reflection of point A 7, minus 4 in the point 3, minus 1. We have to find reflection of a point regarding another point. Suppose this is point A and this is P. हमें इसका reflection P के regarding देखना है. It means you can imagine there is a mirror on P. Then reflection of this means image of this will be formed at the equal distance behind the mirror. Suppose at point B. Then AP will be equal to BP, means P will be the midpoint of AB. Apply midpoint formula and find the reflection of A. Suppose it is XY, then P is the midpoint. It means X1 plus X2 upon 2 will be equal to X coordinate of P, and Y1 minus 4 plus Y2 divided by 2 is equal to Y coordinate of P, because P is the midpoint of AB. Midpoint formula, X1 plus X2 upon 2, Y1 plus Y2 upon 2. X is equal to minus 1 and Y is equal to 2. Means C is the right option. Now look, first page of your copy will be like this. You have to give answer of question number 1 in this form and do all the works in one page of your copy. Now come to the next question. Question number 2, part 1. Mr. X visits the market and buys the following articles: medicines costing rupees 950, GST at the rate 5%, a pair of shoes costing 300, GST 18%, a laptop bag costing rupees 1000 with a discount of 30% and GST at the rate 18%. Calculate the total amount of GST paid, the total bill amount including GST paid by Mr. X. Rupees 950 and GST on this is 5% of 950. 47 rupees 50 paisa. Now second article, pair of shoes cost rupees 300, GST at the rate 18%, then GST paid on pair of shoes will be 18% of 300, 4 rupees. Now third article, laptop bag rupees 1000, but discount of 30% is available on this bag, then price of bag after discount, that will be 70% of 1000 or 1000 minus 30% of 1000. Because if the discount is 30%, then you have to pay 70%. Means rupees 700. आप इसको 1000 minus 30% of 1000 इससे भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. Now GST on the bag, that is 18% of 700, rupees 126. Now calculate the total amount of GST paid. Is 54 plus 126. Rupees 227.5. Now the total bill amount including GST paid by Mr. X, 950 plus 300 plus 700 plus total GST, that is 227.5, 2177 rupees 50 paisa. Second part of this question, the marks obtained by 30 students in a class assessment of 5 marks is given below. Marks, number of students are given. Calculate the mean, median and mode of the above distribution. Marks 0, the number of students 1, marks 1, number of students 3, marks 2, number of students 6, marks 3, number of students 10, marks 4, number of students 5 and marks 5, number of students 5. Now for mean, we have to calculate fx, that is 0, 3, 12, 30, 20 and 25. Now calculate summation f and summation fx. Summation f is 30 and summation ft. Now mean is equal to summation fx divided by summation f, 90 divided by 30. Means the value of mean is 3. Now for median, total number of terms are 30, it is even. It means median will be equal to n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2, means 15th term plus 16th term divided by 2, and to find 15th and 16th term, we have to calculate cumulative frequency. This is 1, 1 plus 3, 4, 6, 4, 10, 10, 10, 20, then 25 and then 30. Now 15th. 15th and 16th both will be in this group, means corresponding x is 3 for 15th term and for 16th term. The value of median is 3. Now mode is the most favorable case, and the most favorable case means term having highest frequency, that is 3. Third part, what must be subtracted from this function so that the resulting expression has 2x plus 1 as a factor. Let the required number is C. Then fx will be 16x cube minus 8x square plus 4x plus 7 minus c. 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus 1 by 2, and by factor theorem, if 2x plus 1 is the factor of fx, then f minus 1 by 2 will be 0. Now put the value is equal to 0. Now solve this and find the value of c. C is equal to 1, means the required number is 1. Come to the question 3, last question of compulsory section. A solid cone of radius 5 cm and height 9 cm is melted and made into small cylinders of radius 0.5 cm, height 1.5 cm. Find the number of cylinders so formed. There are two figures given in the question, first cone and second cylinder. By melting a big cone, small cylinders are formed. Radius of cone is 5 cm and height of cone is 9 cm, and radius of one cylinder is 0.5 cm and height is 1.5 cm, and we have to find number of cylinders so formed. Let the number of cylinders are n. Then volume of cone will be equal to volume of n cylinders. Is equal to n multiplied by volume of one cylinder. Now volume of cone 1 upon 3 pi r1 square h1, and volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Radius of cone is 5, height is 9, and radius of cylinder is 0.5 and height is 1.5. Means n is equal to 5 into 5 into 3 multiplied by 0.5, 0.5 and 1.5. Of cylinders are 200. Second part, it is from trigonometrical identities. We are taking left hand side. a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर से ओपन कर रहे हैं. वन अपॉन कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू सेक स्क्वायर थीटा एंड साइन थीटा अपॉन कॉस थीटा इज इक्वल टू टेन थीटा. And this is the right hand side of given expression. Third part, it is from reflection. Use a graph sheet. Take 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit along both x and y axis. Plot the following points A, B, C and D. First of all, we are plotting these points. A 0,5, x axis पर 0 distance और y पर 5. This is first point A. Second 3B 3,0. This is point B. And the third is 1,0. That is C. D 1, minus 5. 1 and minus 5. This is point D. Now come to the second part. Reflect the point B, C and D on y-axis and name them as B dash, C dash and D dash. Okay. First of all, reflect B on B dash. This is B dash minus 3, 0. अगर हम y एक्सिस के रिगार्डिंग रिफ्लेक्शन देख रहे हैं, then x coordinate will change, y coordinate will remain same. Now C will be reflect on C dash and the coordinates of C dash minus 1, 0. D will be reflect on D dash, coordinates of D dash minus 1, minus 5. Part C, write down the coordinates of B dash, C dash and D dash. Coordinates of B dash minus 3, 0, C dash minus 1, 0 and D dash minus 1, minus 5. Part D, join the points A, B, C. A to B, then C, then D, D dash, C dash, B dash and A. Write the name to the closed figure such formed. This closed figure is a arrowhead. Now come to the section B. You have to attempt 4 questions out of 7 questions in this section. Regarding selection of questions, I have already shared some important points in the solution of first sample paper. Today we are solving all the questions of this section. Question number 4. Mr. X had a recurring deposit account in a bank and deposited rupees 600 per month for 2.5 years. If the rate of interest was 10% per annum, find the maturity value of this account. This question is from banking. Monthly installment P rupees 600, time period N 2.5 years, and we have to put this in months. So convert this into months. 30 months. Rate of interest R is 10% per annum and we have to find maturity value. So apply formula for maturity value. Now put the given values and find the value of maturity. ₹20,325. Second part, without solving the quadratic equation, find the value of P for which the given equation has real and equal roots. Standard equation is ax square plus bx plus c and the value of discriminant b square minus 4ac, and if its discriminant is 0, then given equation has real and equal roots. So first of all, compare given equation with the standard quadratic equation. Find the value of a, b, c, then find the value of discriminant. And for real and equal roots, discriminant will be 0. Quadratic equation in P, find the value of P. If P minus 9 is equal to 0, then P is equal to 9. If this is 0, then P is equal to 1. Means for equal and real roots, P is equal to 9 or 1. Third part, Draw a histogram for the given data using a graph paper and also estimate mode from the graph. Scale on x-axis and y-axis. Suppose on x-axis, on x-axis 2 centimeter is equal to rupees 1000 and on y-axis 2 centimeter is equal to 5 people. Now this is 3000. After 2 centimeter this is 4000 and so on. And on y-axis 5, 10, 15, 20. Now first 3000 to 4000 number of people 4. On y-axis we have taken 2 centimeter is equal to 5 people. 2 centimeter means 20 small parts is equal to 5 people. And we have to calculate for 4. That is equal to 5 people is equal to 20 small parts, then 4 people is equal to 20 divided by 5 into 4. Means 16 small parts. Thousand to 5009. 9 means 4 parts after 5 means after 5 you have to take 16. आप इसे अपने ग्राफ पेपर पर बनाएंगे तो और भी एक्यूरेटली इसको ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट 18. 18 means 3 after 15. For 3 people you have to take 12 parts means after 15 you have to take 12. Next 6. For 1 part, that is 5 small parts, means after 5 you have to take 4. Then 7. 4 further 6. Then 2. For 2 you have to take 8 parts. Then 4. 4 means 16 parts. Now for point of intersection of these two lines will give mode. This point will give us mode. This is 8 small parts after 5000. On x-axis we have taken 2 centimeter is equal to 1000. 2 centimeter means 20 small parts is equal to 1000. Then 8 small parts will be equal to 400. Means this point will be 5400. This is the answer for mode. This is all rough work. And from graph, mod is equal to 5400 rupees. Next question, question number 5, first part, it is from matrix. A, B and C matrix is given. Find matrix X such that A plus 2X is equal to 2B plus C. Matrix equation हमें given है. And we have to find such X which will satisfy this equation. Equation is A plus 2X is equal to 2B plus C. dividing by 2, x is equal to minus 2352. This is the value of x. Second part, it is from quadratic equation. The speed of an express train is x km per hour and the speed of ordinary train is 12 km less than that of the express train. Means, if the speed of express train is x, then the speed of ordinary train is x minus 12. If the ordinary train takes 1 hour longer than the express train to cover a distance of 240 km, find the speed of the express train. Now, of express train is x km per hour and that of ordinary train is x minus 12 because 12 less than express train. Now, distance for the both train is 240. If time taken by express train is t1, then t1 will be equal to distance upon speed, means t1 is equal to 240 divided by x. And if time taken by ordinary train is t2, then t2 will be equal to distance upon speed, means t2 is equal to 240 upon x minus 12. And now, according to the question, ordinary train take 1 hour longer than the express train. It means T2 is 1 more than T1. Now put the values of T1 and T2 and solve this for x. You will get the speed of express train. X square minus 12x minus 2880 is equal to 0. Now solve this quadratic equation for x. There is a short trick to solve a quadratic equation. I have already shared a video on it. Wow video in playlist you can see. Required numbers are 60 and 40 whose product is 2880 and difference is 12. Our requirement is minus 12, it means minus 60 and 48. First factor is x minus 60 and second is x plus 48. If this is 0 then x is equal to 60 and if x plus 40 is equal to 0 then x is equal to minus 40. Speed कभी भी negative नहीं हो सकती, so this value is not possible. Therefore, x is equal to 60 means speed of express train is 60 km per hour. Third part of this question, figure हमें given है AB, EF and CD are parallel. Given that AB 7.5 cm, EG 2.5, GC 5 cm, DC 9 cm, we have to find EF and AC. Look at the figure. If we consider two triangles, first EFG and second GCD. Now in these two triangles, this angle is equal to this vertically opposite angle and this angle is equal to this angle because EF is parallel to CD, then alternate angles are equal. And if two angles are equal, it means these two triangles are similar triangles. And if these are similar triangles, then their sides will be in proportion. With the help of this, we can find the value of EF. In triangle EFG and CDG, angle EGF is equal to angle CGD, vertically opposite angles, and angle EFG is equal to angle CDG, alternate angles, since EF is parallel to CD, and therefore triangle EFG is similar to triangle CDG. Therefore EF आप साइड्स का प्रोपोर्शन डायरेक्ट यहां से लिख सकते हैं, EF अपॉन CD इज इक्वल टू FG अपॉन DG इज इक्वल टू EG upon CG. Now EF is, we have to find, CD is 9, FG ना तो हमें गिवन है ना ही फाइंड आउट करनी है, तो इस टर्म को हम स्किप कर रहे हैं, ये टर्म हम कंसीडर कर रहे हैं. EG is given, that is 2.5 and CG is 5. So EF is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Now we have to find AC. For AC triangle, we are considering ABC, and second is EFC. In these two triangles, angle C is common and this angle is equal to this angle, corresponding angles, because AB is parallel to EF. And if two angles are equal, it means these two triangles are similar triangles. You can also apply basic proportionality theorem in these two triangles, because a line parallel to AB is drawn in this circle. In triangle ABC and triangle EFC, angle ACB is equal to angle ECF, common angle है ये, and angle ABF is equal to angle EFC, corresponding angles, because AB is parallel to EF. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle EFC. And if these two triangles are similar, then their sides will be proportional. AB upon EF is equal to BC upon FC is equal to AC upon EC. Now put the given values. AB is 7.5, EF हमने find out किया है, that is 4.5. Now we are considering these two terms. AC we have to find, and EC is equal to EG plus CG, means 2.5 plus 5. Now AC is equal to 12.5 centimeter. Question number 6. Given a line segment AB joining the points A and B, find the ratio in which AB divided by the y-axis. Suppose this is the line AB. This is point A and this is point B. And AB divides at this point P y-axis, then x coordinate of P will be 0. With the help of this, we can find the ratio in which AB is divided by the x-axis. X coordinate of P is 0, and this is bisection formula will be if P divides line segment AB in the ratio M1 M2, M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2, where x1 y1 and x2 y2 are the two end points of AB. हमेशा ध्यान रखिए m1 के साइड में आपको पॉइंट x1 y1 सेलेक्ट करना है. नाउ पुट द वैल्यू. x कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ p इज 0, x2 इज 8 and x1 is -4. Cross multiply. AB is divided by x-axis in the ratio 1:2. This is answer for part 1. Second part, find the coordinates of the point of intersection. We have to find the coordinates of P. X coordinate is 0 and y coordinate will be m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Means y coordinate of P is 3. So the coordinates of P, point of intersection, 0, 3. In third part, we have to find length of AB. For this, we are using distance formula, that is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. (15 units). Next question, second part, trigonometrical identities से related question है. We are considering left hand side, that is tan square theta upon sec theta minus 1 whole square, and we have to prove it is equal to 1 plus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta. Numerator, we are applying formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. By this formula, sec theta plus 1 and sec theta minus 1. Now we are substituting sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. That is the right hand side. Next question. If x cube plus 3xy square upon 3x square plus y cube is equal to this, then show that nx is equal to my. It is question from ratio proportion. First of all, we are applying componendo dividendo method. Numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator. Similarly on right hand side. Now this is x plus y whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square a. In numerator it is x minus y whole cube. Right hand side in numerator m plus n whole cube and denominator m minus n whole cube. Now taking cube root on both sides. We will get x plus y upon x minus y is equal to m plus n divided by m minus n. Now again we are applying componendo dividendo. Numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator. Same on right hand side. 2x upon 2y is equal to 2m upon 2n. Cross multiply nx is equal to my. यही हमें प्रूव करना था. Question number 7. Two coins are tossed once. Find the probability of getting two heads at least one tail. If two coins are tossed, then number of possible cases may be possible. दोनों कॉइन्स पर आपको हेड मिले, फर्स्ट पर हेड मिले, सेकंड पर टेल मिले, या फिर फर्स्ट पर टेल मिले, सेकंड पर हेड मिले. And one case you will get tail on both the coins. These are the number of possible cases, means number of possible cases are 4. Now we have to find possibility of getting two heads, favorable cases. Number of total outcomes are 4 and probability of two heads. Number of favorable cases. Divided by total number of outcomes. Number of favorable cases is 1 and total number of outcomes are 4. It means probability of getting two heads is 1 by 4. In second part, at least one tail. Two tails be possible, but our requirement is at least one tail. It means this is our favorable cases for at least one tail. This is also our favorable cases and this is also our favorable cases. Means for second part, favorable cases are 3 and total number of outcomes are 4. So the probability will be 3 by 4. And favorable cases are HT, TH and TT. 3 by 4. Next question. Which term of this AP is first negative term? First term of this AP is 105 and common difference D is minus 4. Nth term, general term of this AP will be A plus N minus 1 into D. This is its general term. Now our requirement is negative term. अब देखिए ये term कब negative होगा? When 4n will be greater than 109. अगर subtract करने वाला term इससे बड़ा होगा तो आपको एक negative answer मिलेगा. Means for negative term 4n will be greater than 109. It means n will be greater than 109 divided by 4. Means n will be greater than 27 and 1 by 4. And n is 1, 2, 3. Integer होगा. It means integer greater than 27.25 will be 28 and so on. इससे आगे के n, जब भी n इससे ग्रेटर होगा तो आपको नेगेटिव टर्म मिलेगा. मीन्स 28, 29, 30th all the term will be negative and the first negative term will be 28th. And if you have to find this term, then 28th will be 1094 minus 4n. और n के प्लेस पर हमें पुट करना है 28. This is minus 3. Look, this is negative. Next question. In the figure given below, O is the center of the circle and SP is the tangent. Angle SRT, this angle is 65 degree. Find the value of X, Y and Z. This is 90 degree angle between tangent and chord passing through the center. Now look at the triangle SRT. Sum of all the angles will be 180 degree. It means 90 plus 65 plus x will be equal to 180 degree. So we can find x from this relation. चलिए पहले इसको शो कर देते हैं, फिर आगे बढ़ेंगे. In triangle SRT, angle TSR plus angle TRS plus angle STR is equal to 180 degrees, since sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This angle is 90 degree, this is 65 and this is x. X is 25 degree. Now this angle is known and we have to find y and z. Now look at this arc. Angle subtended at the center by this arc is y, and angle subtended at remaining circumference by this arc is x. It means y will be double of x. Since angle subtended at the center is twice angle subtended at the remaining circumference if the arc is same, y is equal to 2x means 50 degree, since angle subtended at the center is twice the angle subtended at remaining circumference. Now we have to find z. For this we are considering the triangle OPS. Sum of angles will be 0. It means y plus z plus 90 is equal to 180, and this is 90 and y is 50 degree. In triangle OSP, angle OSP plus angle OPS plus angle SOP will be 180 degree, and OSP is 90, OPS is Z, and this is Y. Now Y is 50 degree. Therefore, Z is equal to 40 degree. X is equal to 25, Y is equal to 50 and Z is equal to 40. Question number 8. Find the solution set of the following inequation and represent it on the number line. Inequation हमें given है and it is the combination of two inequations. Combined solution will be the final answer. First inequation, minus 3x minus 7 is greater than equal to 15 minus 7x, and second is 15 minus 7x is greater than x plus 1 upon 3. Solve these two inequations and then combine the solution. Solution of first inequation is x is greater than equal to minus 3 by 2. Now we are solving second. Now we are dividing by minus 22 by a negative number. So the sign will be reversed. Solution of this inequality is x is less than 2. Now we are combining these two solutions, means solution of given inequation is x is greater than equal to minus 3 by 2 and less than 2. This is our final answer. Now we are representing it on number line. Minus 3 by 2 means minus 1.5. Suppose this is the point, minus 1.5. Then this is included in our solution because of this equal to sign. So we make a closed circle on this. X belongs to real number and x is less than 2, but 2 is not included in our solution. So we will make an open circle on this. The representation of solution on number line. This is open circle because 2 is excluded. This is closed circle because minus 3 by 2 is included. Now next question. The equation of a line is 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0. Find the slope of the line. Equation of line is 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0. To find the slope, we are changing this equation in the form y is equal to mx plus c. Now this is in the form y is equal to mx plus c on comparing with y is equal to mx plus c. Slope m is equal to minus 3 by 4, means slope of given line is minus 3 by 4. In second part, the equation of a line perpendicular to the given line and passing through the intersection of the line this and this. We have to find the equation of line which is perpendicular to this line. Then slope of required line suppose m1 that is equal to minus 1 upon m because line is perpendicular to this line means 4 by 3. Now slope is known and one point is known, that is the point intersection point of these two lines. So we are finding point of intersection of these two lines by solving these equations simultaneously. First is x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0 and second is 3x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. Now substitute this value either in equation 2 or 3. X minus y plus 2, 2 minus y plus 2 is equal to 0 means y is equal to 4. Means point of intersection is (2, 4). We have to find an equation of line whose slope is 4 by 3 and passing through this point. That is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. y1 is 4, slope is 4 by 3 and x1 is 2. Four x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. Third part of this question, this is from mensuration. The given figure represents a hemisphere surmounted by a conical block of wood. The diameter of their bases is 6 centimeter each. And the slant height of the cone is 5 centimeter. Calculate the height of the cone. If the diameter is 6, it means radius is 3. Volume of the solid, the volume of the solid will be equal to sum of volume of cone and volume of semisphere. Question number 9, first part, you have to draw ogive, data is given and scale is given 2 centimeter is equal to 1 meter on one axis and 2 centimeter is equal to 5 students on other axis. Suppose this is 12, then after 2 centimeter it will 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. And on y-axis 2 centimeter is equal to 5 students. This is 5, then 10 and so on. Now first of all find cumulative frequency. Three, 9, 3, 12. Now points on the ogive will be first point 13, 3. First point will be 0, 12. Second will be 13, 3. Upper limit and cumulative frequency. Next will be 14, 12. Then 15, 24. 16, 33. 17, 37. 18, 39 and the last will be 19, 40. 0, 12. This is our first point. Second 13, 3. Now on y-axis 2 centimeter is equal to 5 students. It means 20 small parts is equal to 5 students. And we have to calculate for 3. 3 students will be 12 small parts. This is 10 and after 2 it is 12. This point will be 13, 3. Next is 14, 12. Now 12 will be equal to, after 10 we have to calculate for 2. 4 small parts is equal to 1 students. So 2 students will be equal to 8 small parts. After 10 calculate 8. This point will be 14, 12. Next 15, 24, 15, 20 and 4 means 16 parts. 16, 33, 16 and 33. 3 students is equal to 12 parts. Just 4 से multiply हो रहा है इस scale के according. Next 17, 37, 35. Remaining 2 students 8 parts. (18, 39), 18 and 39, 34 and 34 के बाद आपको लेना है 4 means 16 small parts because 4 small parts is equal to 1 student. And last will be 1940. Now meet these points with free hand. Now we have to find median. Here is number of students are 40, means median will be n by 2th term, means 20th term. Now draw 20th term. This point will be median. Now calculate this. On x-axis 2 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, means 20 small parts is equal to 1 meter. Now 1 small part is equal to 1 upon 20 meter, मीन्स 0.05 मीटर, और वी कैन से इसको थोड़ा सा और सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं, 2 स्मॉल पार्ट्स इज इक्वल टू 0.1 मीटर. नाउ इट इज 4 स्मॉल पार्ट्स, इट एंड 14 से अगर आप काउंट करेंगे तो दिस इज 14 स्मॉल पार्ट्स. in small parts will be equal to 0.05 multiplied by 14 means 0.7 meter. So median is 14.7 meter. Second, we have to calculate upper quartile means 30th term. Now this is 14 parts after 15, it means this is 15.7 meter. Upper quartile is 15.7. Now we have to calculate number of students who cover a distance which is above 16.2 meter. Distance is represented on x-axis. We have to take 16.5. Now this is 16 and this point 16.5. Corresponding फ्रीक्वेंसी इज 35 मीन 3.5 मीटर तक स्कोर किया है 35 स्टूडेंट्स ने. इसके अबव स्कोर किया होगा 40 माइनस 35. फाइव स्टूडेंट्स. सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, इन द गिवन फिगर एंगल BAD is 65 degree, angle ABD is 70 degree, angle BDC 45 degree. Prove that AC is the diameter. If AC is the diameter, then angle subtended, angle in the semicircle will be right angle. Means to prove AC diameter, we have to prove this angle is 90 degree or this angle is 90 degree. Now this angle is 65 degree, this is 70 degree. And if we consider the triangle ADB, then sum of angles will be 180 degree, means 65 plus 70 plus this angle will be 180 degree. In triangle ABD, angle ABD plus angle ADB plus angle BAD is equal to 180 degree, and angle ABD is 70, ADB we have to find, and BAD is 65 degree. So angle ADB will be equal to 45 degree. This is 45. Now this whole angle will be 45 plus 45 90 degree, और जैसे ही ये 90 हुआ it means AC is the diameter because angle in a semicircle is right angle. Now angle ADC is equal to angle ADB plus angle BDC, 90 degree. Therefore AC is diameter, since angle in a semicircle is right angle. Find angle ACB. ACB, this angle. Now if we consider the arc AB, then angle subtended at the circumference will be equal, angle of equal segment. This angle will be equal to this. If this is 45, and then this will also be 45, angle of the same segment. Question number 10th, first part. If x is equal to this, then prove that this relation. Numerator plus denominator. Cross multiply 3bx square plus 3b is equal to 2ax, means 3bx square minus 2ax plus 3b is equal to 0. This is the required result. Second part. Using ruler and compass only, construct a triangle ABC such that BC is equal to 5 centimeter, AB 6.5 and angle ABC 120 degree. First of all, we are constructing triangle. Draw BC of length 5 centimeter. Angle B is 120 degree, so make 120 degree angle with the help of compass at B. For this, first of all, an arc, then put your compass at this point. This angle will be 60 degree and this will be 120 degree. Now draw a line to make B to this point and cut line segment of length 6.5. This will be AB. Meet A and B. Meet A and C. This will be our required triangle ABC. Now construct a circumcircle of triangle ABC. Circumcircle is the. For circumcircle, we have to draw perpendicular bisectors of the two sides. तो चलिए ड्रॉ करते हैं. BC का परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. इसके लिए आपको BC के हाफ से ज्यादा डिस्टेंस अपने कंपास में लेनी है और एक आर्क आपको लगाना है फ्रॉम B एंड सेकेंड फ्रॉम C. Take distance more than half of BC. Then put your compass at B. Then put your compass at C. This will be the perpendicular bisector of BC. In the similar way, draw a perpendicular bisector of AB or AC. Suppose we are drawing the perpendicular bisector of AB, then put your compass at A and B and take the distance more than half of AB. आप इसको कंपास और रूलर की हेल्प से एक्यूरेटली ड्रॉ करेंगे तो बिल्कुल एक्यूरेट आपको फिगर मिलेगी. Now produce these two bisectors to meet each other. Point of intersection of these two bisectors will be the circumcenter of triangle ABC, means O is the circumcenter. Now we have to draw circumcircle, then take distance OA, OB और OC. आप कोई भी एक डिस्टेंस अपने कंपास में लेकर के सर्कल ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. अब मैंने एक्यूरेटली ड्रॉ नहीं किया है बिकॉज इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल ऑन दिस फिगर, इसलिए मेरा सर्कल एक्यूरेट नहीं मिल रहा है, बट आप अगर ड्रॉ करेंगे तो आपको एक्यूरेट मिलेगा. नाउ construct a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD such that D is equidistant from AB and BC. अगर आपको इक्विडिस्टेंस पॉइंट लेना है ऑन सर्कम सर्कल फ्रॉम ए बी एंड बी सी, देन यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ऑफ ए सी. अगर आप AC का परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ करेंगे तो वो भी C से पास होगा, बिकॉज सर्कम सेंटर इज द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ ऑल द थ्री बाइसेक्टर्स. AC के परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ करने के लिए आप AC के हाफ से ज्यादा डिस्टेंस कंपास में लीजिए और A और C दोनों से आर्क लगा दीजिए. परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर विल बी पास्ड फ्रॉम O. Suppose this is the perpendicular bisector of AC. Then to find D, इसको आप आगे प्रोड्यूस कीजिए to circum circle. This point will be D and this will be equidistance from BC and AB. Now D और A को मीट करवा दीजिए, D और C को मीट करवा दीजिए. दिस विल बी साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल ABCD. अगर आप एक्यूरेट डिस्टेंस के साथ और एक्यूरेट एंगल से इसको ड्रॉ करेंगे तो आपको एकदम एक्यूरेट फिगर मिलेगी और कंस्ट्रक्शन के स्टेप्स भी आपको शो करने हैं. चलिए लास्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं ऑफ दिस सैंपल पेपर. इट इज फ्रॉम हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस. फिगर हमें गिवन है. हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू टावर इज 120, मीन्स distance BC is 120 meter. Angle of elevation of the top is 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree and angle of depression of the bottom is 24, means this is 24 degree. Find the height of two towers. We have to find CD and AB. If this angle is 24, then this is also 24. Now, first of all, we are applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle BDC. In triangle BCD, angle C is 90 and tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So tan 24 will be equal to perpendicular is CD and base is BC and that is 120 meters. tan 24 की वैल्यू आप टेबल से पुट करेंगे. That is 0.4452 and BC is 120 meters, so CD will be 120 multiplied by and that is 53.424 meter. Now we are applying tangent rule in the triangle AED. Angle E is 90 degree. So tan 30 will be equal to perpendicular, means AE upon base, that is 120. AE is equal to 120 multiplied by tan 30, that is 1 upon under root 3. 40 under root 3 means 69.28 meter. Now AB will be equal to height of first tower AE plus BE and BE is equal to CD. So this is 69.28 plus CD, that is 53.424. (122.704 meter), but give your answer to three significant figures. It means height of first tower, that is 122.704 meter. Now we have to give our answer in three significant figures. Three significant figures means there will be three numerics in our answer. Then it means it will be due to this 7, 123 meter. And height of second tower, that is 53.424 meter. In three significant figures, we have to take three numerics. Then 53 and 4. Due to this 2, there will be no change in this digit. And this is 53.4 meter. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक नए सैंपल पेपर के साथ. तब तक के लिए गुड बाय एंड ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर योर एग्जामिनेशन.